Hello students. So going further, let us check out how we can create a custom thumbnail which is not a part of the video. Now to do this, there would be the use of any particular editing software specifically for creating images. The most basic one being Paint itself. But if you have some experience in using Photoshop or Illustrator or any of those kind, you can even use them for creating these images. Out here, our main aim is to create a particular catchy image which will help the end users to get attracted to it. So for example, this particular video relates to buying used cars. So I would be interested in creating an image with a tagline that would attract them. So let's try and do that. So here I'll talk about something like the ultimate guide for buying used cars. Know this so as you don't waste your money. This is a kind of tagline which could attract the user. So let us enter that out here. So this is the tag which I would create. Once I have done that, let us make the image a bit more precise. So now let me add the last element of some coloring part to it so as the image looks a bit more precise. So this is just a way I have created it. You can definitely use many other ways like this, and let us go ahead and save this image probably in the form of JPG. Once we are done with saving it, we can now move here, and in the last image, which was the custom thumbnail, we can go ahead and change it. As I said, you can add only one custom thumbnail, so you need to change that image. If at this point of time you go ahead and select another thumbnail, by default, once you select and save it, that image which you had previously saved as a thumbnail will be removed, and then you can see you again have an option of adding a new thumbnail. So let's select that and find the file which we have created right now, and in that let us add it, and now select the same. Once we have selected it, we'll need to click save changes and then just wait for a moment and navigate onto another tab, and past navigating, come back to this tab and you will be seeing that same image. So this way you can have more people seeing your data and getting attracted to view your video. There are many more ways by making it attractive with the use of a lot of designing tools. Hope if you are knowing any of them, you can practice and make another image of this with including a lot of icons and vectors and other more set of images as well. With that being said, we have seen the process of custom thumbnails. Thanks a lot for your time.